Coming to section C, 27th question. Show that the function f of minus infinity to 0 to minus 1 to 0 defined by f of x equals x by 1 plus mod x belongs to minus infinity comma 0 is 1 to 1 and on to. Now it's given, clearly you can see that it is now going to be x lesser than 0. The function is given as x by 1 plus mod x. So when it is now going to be lesser than 0, the function becomes x by 1 minus x. Now let us take the values for x and y such that x is lesser than 0 and y is lesser than 0. So the function becomes x by 1 minus x is equal to y by 1 minus y. Now cross multiply, you get it as x minus xy is equal to y minus xy, or this implies x is equal to y. So it is injected. It is injected. Now let us test for surjectivity. So when x is equal to 0, when x is lesser than 0, we have f of x is equal to x by 1 minus x, which is lesser than 0. Also, you know, f of x is equal to x by 1 minus x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus x lesser than, or which is now going to be greater than minus 1. So therefore, you can see that minus 1 is lesser than f of x, which is lesser than 0. Similarly, let us take that y belongs to minus 1 comma 0. Let it be an arbitrary real number such that f of x is equal to y. So f of x is equal to y implies x by 1 minus x is equal to y, or this implies x is equal to y by 1 plus y. 1 minus y. Y by 1 minus y. Thus, so you can see that clearly when x is greater than 0, for y belongs to minus 1 comma 0. Thus for every value of y belongs to minus 1 comma 0, there exists a value, this should be x by y by 1 plus y. So when x is equal to y by 1 plus y, which is lesser than 0, such that f of x is equal to y. So f is an onto function from minus infinity to 0 to minus 1 to 0. Hence it is 1 to 1 and 1 to 1 and onto function. Now look into the OR question. Show that the relation R in the set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 given by R is equal to A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is divisible by 2 is an equivalence relation. Okay, now first let us check for reflexivity. For any value of A belonging to A. So modulus of A minus A is equal to 0. This is divisible by 2. So is divisible by 2. Hence A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to A. So R is reflexive. So the relation is reflexive. Next, let us check for symmetry. Same way, let A comma B belong to R. Then modulus of A minus B is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Also, modulus of B minus A is divisible by 2. This implies when modulus of A minus B is divisible by 2 implies that A comma B belongs to R. When modulus of B minus A is divisible by 2, this says B comma A belongs to R. So, this implies, therefore, you can say A comma B belongs to R. Same way, B comma A belongs to R. Hence, R is symmetric. Finally, coming to transitivity. Let A comma B belong to R and B comma C belong to R. Then A minus B, modulus of A minus B is divisible by 2 and modulus of B minus C is divisible by 2. Now, two cases arise. Case 1 is when B is divisible by 2, where B is divisible by 2, then A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. In this case, we can say that mod of A minus B is divisible by 2 where both A and B are divisible by 2. Next one, when B minus C is divisible by 2. Here also you can say both B and C are divisible by 2. Therefore, since A comma B is divisible by 2 and B comma C is divisible by 2, A, B and C are all divisible by 2. Therefore, we can say that A comma C is also divisible by 2. Hence, transitivity is also obeyed. Now coming to the second case, where case 2, where A and B are not divisible by 2. Now let us say take 3 and 1. So modulus of A minus B is equal to, let us take it as modulus of 3 minus 1 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Also, C is not divisible by 2. In that case, if we take B minus C, that is equal to modulus of, say, let us take it as C to be 5. Then it becomes 1 minus 5 is again divisible by 2. Modulus of 1 minus 5 is divisible by 2. So, therefore, A is 3 and C is 5. So, 3 minus 5. A is 3 and C is 5. So, 3 minus 5 is also divisible by 2. Therefore, this case also obeys transitivity. Therefore, R is transitive. Since R obeys reflexivity, symmetric and transitivity, it is an equivalence relation. Equivalence 1 minus x.